Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy Tab Active Pro, and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So firstly we have to enter the settings, and now let's tap on sound and vibration. As you can see here, we've got whole ringtone section, and we can simply change the ringtone or the notification sound. So let me pick for example this one. We've just been transferred to the full list of available ringtone from which you can choose. What's more, you can tap on this plus icon, and after that we will be transferred to our own files, and if you will have any compatible ones, they will appear right here and you will be able to choose them and set them as your ringtone. But let me get back and let me pick something from the defaultly installed ones, and now in order to listen how the particular one sounds, simply tap on it and you will be able to check how it sounds. And if you are happy with your choice, just make sure that this option is marked and we can go back. As you can see, it is notified right here, so from now on your device will use the chosen ringtone. So well, actually that's all. This is how to change the ringtone in your Samsung Galaxy Tab Active Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.